Hello everybody, this is a short demonstration on how to buy the KAI token on Uniswap Exchange. Using the MetaMask wallet, you can connect with the Uniswap decentralized application to securely trade Ethereum or USDT for KAI. Once you have connected MetaMask to Uniswap, you must now add the KAI token. The KAI contract address can be found on ETHEREUM. Copy the contract address and paste it into the search bar as shown. Then you can add the KAI token. Now it's time to buy KAI. We currently have Ethereum and USDT trading pairs for KAI. Remember to ensure you always have some Ethereum in your wallet to cover gas fees. You can increase your gas fee to speed up the transaction if required. In this example, we can see that when you enter the amount of ETH you wish to spend, Uniswap displays the number of KAI you will receive at the current market price. When you are happy to proceed with the trade, press Swap, Confirm Swap, and the request will be broadcast to the blockchain for confirmation. You will be asked to confirm via your MetaMask. Once you've done that, the transaction will be complete, and it will show in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now that you know how to buy KAI, you can also sell it, because the selling process is just the same, only in reverse. Once you are comfortable with the process of exchanging tokens on Uniswap, you may wish to consider becoming a liquidity provider, adding tokens to the trading pools in return for rewards gained through transaction fees. For more information on the Uniswap exchange, please refer to our Medium article or join us on social media, on Twitter and in Telegram. Thanks for trading.